Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, launched by Gino. So Bitcoin, if you watched the video yesterday, we talked about one of the areas being this cluster right between 88.77 and 89.28, and I said I'd be watching about 8,900. Yeah, that's where we traded down to 88.95, so that cluster was nice, and we got a nice little rebound very rapidly, trading back above that 9,400 level. Now we have this significant area right about 94.84. I'm watching 9,500. This is actually a really good area now, is if you want to do some projections. This is a really good case for a reverse scan box. Now, where's that other end of it? Oops. Hold on, I messed this up pretty good. Bear with me 1 second. So reverse scan box going from this spike low back to this high right here. And oh boy, it's going to be one of those days, isn't it? So there to there to there. Now I want to edit the levels because we don't want these other ones on. All right, there we go. So get above 9,500, 9,552 is next level. Then we're watching about 96.35. 9,600 to 96.35 is the next major level. We have a significant level at 96.07, and then 96.35 is the reverse scan box projection. Then 97.17 takes us back in this congestion area. If we do rally through there, start watching next major areas. This 98.90. I'll just put a line there. Anywhere right. Oh boy. There we go. There we go. So 98.94, I'm just 9,900. So those are all your key levels based off the 4 hour. Let's take a look at that daily chart. Daily chart, we're ignoring the rotation zone because it's just gone flat, completely flat, back into this congestion area. And again, why we always watch the close, we got the spike down to those key levels, and then it's closed back in the congestion area. So it's been in this area for a long time, so even if it does continue to rally, it's just rallying into different resistance areas we visited for the last quite a while. I won't start getting interested in it really on the bullish side besides these little scalping moves until it gets above 9,900. Switching over to Ethereum. So we had our nice little GAN projection levels down here, 218.60, spiking down just below that to 217.79, and then moving up. You can see this other intermediate level is tested the next bar, and then moving back up above our 230 area. So those levels are all done. What I'm going to do is just still keep these going to that in case it does break down again. But this is again back into congestion. Starting to get separation at the rotation zone, testing a prior GAN level and the top of the rotation zone. Get through there. Next level we're watching is 235 again. Then we have the cluster area from about 237.70 to 238.20. So that's the next area we'll be watching on any rally. This is also another great area to do a reverse GAN box. So here to up spiking high. So if we did get back above this 239.54, we'd be watching 242.26 and 244.98. So essentially 245. Checking in on the daily chart to get the bigger perspective. So a slight close below it yesterday, spike all the way down. Look where it went to. This is what we talked about, multi-time frame analysis repeatedly. That's why you check all your time frames, and look where it ran down to. Not only our GAN projections, but right with the rising 50-day exponential moving average. So that was your key level, and then once it starts rallying off that, you can always use a shorter term chart. You know, like, okay, we were out there, you see it on the daily chart and on our 4 hour chart with those GAN levels, we get a nice thing. Well, you know, we're breaking above that. We're also divergence on the 1 hour. So lower low in price action, higher low, you know, buy a breakout above this bar, stop below here, and then you're running it back up, trailing a stop. again, or you could go to the 4 hour. When we get above here on the 4 hour, start doing some kind of trade. But those are some ways that you can start looking at these different time frames, lining up the levels, and then using some bottoming or reversal patterns. So what we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.